Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just doing the Abstract Heart. I have sealed this one. It's a little bit wet, but it will get dry by the time I'm ready to pour. I sealed it with MDF sealer because it's wood, so I sealed that one, and I am using Abstract Resin. I mix around 100 ml. That's one part resin and one part hardener, so it's mixed, and I have done like a split them in 4 different the silicone cups, and done one tiny bit in here as well. So what I'm using Addiction mica as well. So I got purplish red, purple, magenta and violet. So let's do that. Okay, so they're all mixed now, but I'm going to wait. I still need to mix my gold in this one. I'm using gold. So in this one, using true gold. Just a tiny bit, doesn't need too much. It's probably enough. Okay, so the resin started warming up, so I'm going to start pouring now. Let me show you what I've done. I have put the old masking tape around. I do the painter's tape as well, but this works as well. So I have used masking tape, and I have erased a little bit on the top. You may be able to see it. So because I want a little bit thicker layer, so it's going to be 100 ml on it. So that's why I just raised that. So let's get started now. So I do just drop randomly. For this one, just go for just random, unless you are sure where you want your colors. This is really beautiful, this bluish purplish, and this is going there. Don't worry about the gap. When they mix, it will cover the spot. then you just move around. Oops, don't drop. I still got some resin left. I just want to make a line, that's why I just left a little bit. A little bit here, so I'll use this one. Okay, now what I'll do, I'm going to blend with my heat gun. Okay, now the next step, wherever on the top of it, I'm just going to make a line with just like this, just like this, not too much, just a little bit resin going in a line like this. And do same with this one in the middle. A little bit of this one, which I can use there. Started to pick from this side. Maybe just move this way a little bit. Okay. Then I am using my gold, beautiful gold, and just going random line like this. And the last one here. There's my heater. Still not satisfied. I need one more line of the reddish color here. And just a tiny bit there. Going to leave that it looks like this now. I thought it's going to be quite bright color, but it's not as bright as what I thought, but it does look beautiful. So I just leave it as it is, how it is right now, and I'll do another layer of clear resin on top after painting the sides. So stay tuned, we'll do it tomorrow. So next day I'm back, and as you can see how it looks, it's beautiful. Loving it. Love how the gold is floating. And I'm going to start, I'll take the tape off from the side, so I'm not taking the bottom tape off, just the one I put on the sides. Okay, so it looks okay. Then it comes off all the tape. Just tiny bit here, take it off. And the next step I am doing is I am putting the gold on the side before I pour resin over it. And before I start that one, I just want to cut this because it doesn't look, it erases a little bit, so I'm just going to cut that before I pour the resin. This one is alright, just a little bit here I need to get cut. It's okay now. So that's it. So the next step, I still got the masking tape at the back, which I'm going to keep it on because I want to pour the resin on the top of it once I finish my gold paint. So I am using this one. This is, I normally use in geode art with resin. So this is what I'm going to put. It's a liquid, gold liquid. So just stir it because the gold always goes at the bottom. So before I start, I'm going to start stirring. Then I am probably, one sec, just got a tiny bit left here. Take that tap off. Yeah, it's off now. So, and then just put there. And just cover. So, you can see the gold is done all over, and now I'm going to pour the clear resin. So before I pour clear resin, we just wipe with the cloth which I have got here. So wiped off now. Now it's time to pour resin. So I have mixed some resin because I'm doing something else after this as well. So I've got a little bit more than I actually need. I need around 20 ml on this one. Just a little bit more, probably 25, because I want to properly touch the sides as well. So as I'm going, I'm just using my silicone brush to cover the sides so it can get sealed with resin. Should be alright. So that's it, and we'll see you tomorrow then. So this is how it looks after the one layer of resin on the top. So I am going to make a hole and hang it. So this is the final look of it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.